brake pedal, push it all the way down. Good, that's really good. Comes right in there. How's that?
Does it go down any?
Yes, it does.
No. It.
Might just bring the seat up.
There we go. There we go.
Good.
Yeah, that's good.
Here is the seatbelt. Enjoy your drive.
All right, what's up? I'm Joe.
Jason.
Jason, what's up, Jason? All right, let's get the car into gear. Just make sure and press the button, okay? All right, perfect. You got it. Go ahead and release that brake, Jason. Go ahead and head on out this way, okay? All right, Jason. So, just like what you learned on that lead car, right? Hand signals are right there. That's your side, Jason. This is my side. Leave the windows down, please. Yep. All right. Car's defined the way it is, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to your lane over there. So hand signals are here. This is your side. This is my side. This is lift off the gas. This means brake, okay? This means roll on the gas. Do it very smoothly. Let's follow that blue car way up there, okay? And then whenever we're out on track, make sure and stay 3 feet away from the edge of the track at all times. Yellow cones, that's where we lift. Red cones, that's where we brake. Orange cones, wait till you're at the orange cone, then make a smooth arc around the green cone. Okay, Jason?
I'm good.
All right, sounds good. Now, if we come up on any other cars and we need to pass, I'll tell you what side of the track to do that on. Just don't pass anybody unless I tell you, okay? Now, rolling out here, what we're going to do is we're going to stay on your side of the track all the way around our first turn. And so we're going to follow this white line right here. Good job. We'll test the brakes right here, get a good feel for them, and then over to that green on your side. After that green, then we can smoothly roll on the gas towards that red cone. We'll brake there. And then we're going to go from the orange cone, wait until you get to there, release that brake, hit the green on my side. Nicely done. How do you like the car so far?
I'm loving it.
Very direct, isn't it?
I'm a Porsche guy. This is what I love.
Oh, nice. Go from the orange to the green. Good job. And then we're going to go from that orange to the green that's on my side. And smooth arc to the green on my side. Perfect. And then green on your side. We'll give, and go ahead and pass on my side. Give me a lot of power. And we'll go towards that wall. Hard brakes here. Braking. Stand the brakes. 3, 2, 1. Go to 3. Good job. And then make sure and stay 3 feet away. If we make contact with that cone, that costs you $500, okay? Don't make contact with it, okay? Move it to brakes, lift off, head of the green on my side. We're gonna go around that green on your side. Good job. And now you can go about the middle of the track. We'll get up to about 65. Yeah, perfect. Just stay at this speed right here. Good. As we're getting onto the front straightaway, we can be accelerating there, okay? All the way out to my lane. Now you can start rolling the gas. You go as much as you want. How you like it, Jason? Pretty cool, right? All the way to the yellow, keep going. Good, that's it. Hard brakes. Good job. 3, 2, 1. Off the brakes, just let it coast. Good. Perfect speed. Go all the way out to that yellow, and then at those reds, we'll finish braking, but don't do it yet. Wait. Now brake. Good. Wait for the orange. Stay in the brakes, and then now head to the green. Good turn, Jason. Roll on the gas smoothly. All the way to that red, we're going to brake the red. Hard brakes. Good. Ease up those brakes, head to the green. Thing handles so nice, huh? There you go. Look for that red, that next orange. Light brakes at the reds, and we're going to angle towards the green. Ready? Good. And then light brakes at the red, the orange, green again. Remember that 3 foot, okay? Good. Green on my side. Perfect, dude. Good line, dude. Roll on that gas. Now you can go as much as you want all the way to the wall. Good. Up here, remember brake. Hard brakes. Good. Now remember that 3 foot, okay? Aim for that green. Great spacing this time. Thank you very much, Jason. Good job. And then now we'll start smoothly rolling the gas a little bit more. Light brakes, and then go orange, and then green. And smooth arc around the green on your side. We'll start smoothly rolling the gas. We're going to get over to my side. We're a little lambo, which might be goodbye to. Yeah, wait for it. All right, let them go, and then that way they don't mess up your straight. Wait. And now go for it. Down to that side. They're going to let us by in just a minute after this corner, okay? All right, we're going to be braking here at the red cones. We're going to wait for the orange, a little bit of brakes, and then go down to the green on your side. Good job. And then go to my side. Power on. Now remember, we're going to be offline here, so we're going to have to brake more than usual, okay? Great job. And then go down to the green on my side. Great job. And then turn it sharp. And then now let's start rolling the gas. And then light brakes at the red, go orange to green. Good job, off the brakes. Into that green. And then light brakes at that red. And we're going to go to green my side. Good job, Jason. You having fun, dude?
Loving it.
All right. those brakes. Just patience on the power. Green on this side. Once it's straight, you can roll into it, roll into it, roll into it, and hard brakes there. Lift off. Head to the green on my side. This time we're going to go into the pits, okay? So after this green, you can roll on the gas a little bit, and I'll tell you when to slow down. Roll into it, roll into it, roll into it, roll into it. Good. And then now lift off. All right. I was trying to get you one last little something there, man. And then we're going to follow the white line over into the pit lane behind that Ferrari. Good driving, dude. We're passing everybody out there, man.
Thanks, man.
You enjoy it?
I love it. That's how I like to drive. I've got a Macan Turbo. I know it's nothing like
Oh,
this,
yeah.
but
No, I love those.
it all feels
Yeah,
like home.
that's the smaller, lightweight one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're still like nimble and everything. Dude, that's awesome. Now you need a 911 get in the stable.
No, that's what I'm working on.
Heck yeah, man. And then over to my side.
Cool.
And this one's just a GT3. It's not even an RS.
No.
So there you go. You need to drive the GT4 next.
I've never driven a Cayman. I don't even know what that's like.
Dude, it's all right. So feels a lot like this. This is more refined. The Cayman is it's even more like race car feeling, but it's very bumpy. But it's also an RS. So head up there where that Ferrari's at.
Is there a reason you leave the windows down?
So in case they need to get us out, they don't have to bust the windows and have glass all over us. It's a safety thing. And then right here. All right, go ahead and roll on up.